Okay, now today let's say focus another type of question, but this is very simple, but student get confused sometimes. So with the word, so that's why I will show you this. Explain. Now think here 12. 12. They tell us to uh, write what the factors of 12 and prime factors of 12, and even IGCSE exam we will get what the 12 right has a product of its prime factor, right? So I will discuss that all three. Using this 12 I will show you that all three, right? First of all, what are the factors of 12? Factors of 12 mean what are the numbers you can divide 12 without remainder. Now, normally you can divide by any number except 0, any number. The thing is without remaining, right? Now, for example, if you divide 12 by 2, answer is 6, right? So, we tell 12 you can divide by 2, right? But same time, if you try to 12 divide by 5, you can't divide, so it will be decimal answer. So we are tell we can't divide it by 5. That's the idea. First of all, very simple thing. Uh, Now here, for example, if you divide, it will be 2.4, like that. So we not tell this is what the 12 you can't divide by 5, right? That's the idea. Now so what are the numbers 12 you can divide? 12 you can divide by 1. Answer is 12, no? So first one is 1. Second one, 12 you can divide by 2. Answer is 6. And also the 12 you can divide by 2, no? So should be 2 here, right? 2 by 2 also you can divide, and 12 you can divide by 3, so that's why 3 also factor of 12. What are the numbers you can divide 12? So those are the factors of 12. So 3. And also 12 you can divide by 4. Answer is 3, no? So 4 also factor of 12. And 5 is not a factor of 12. You can't divide, no, here. You get decimal. And 6. 12, if you divide by 6, answer is 2. So that's why 6 is a factor of 12. What are the number you can divide? Don't get the answers, just this. You can get the answer also. And then 12 divided by 7, right? You can't divide. So 7 is not a factor of 12. 8 by 8, no, it also decimal answer. 9, you can't. 10, you can't, decimal answers. 11, can't. Then 12. 12 you can divide by again 12, right? Then answer is 1. Now I told you here don't get the answer because it's the same thing. Same answers will come, same factors. So again 1, no. So you 12 also factor of 12. Now these are the factors of 12, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12, right? Now if they are prime factors of 12, prime factors of 12, prime factors of 12, prime factors of 12, what are they? From these factors choose which numbers are prime number. Now 2 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number, that's all. So we tell prime factors of 12 is 2 and 3, right? Try to understand, it's a very simple idea. Prime factors of 12, right? First of all, consider what are the factors of 12, then write from those factors what are the prime factors, 2 and 3, right? Yeah, we have learned earlier, factors of 12, we get even this way, 2 into 3, 3 into 4, 6 into 2, like that also, factors 3 using, but here I simply idea because now you can use the answers like this, right? Then now if they give to you 12, right, as a product of its prime factor, normally product means multiplication, right? So 12, if they tell to you right as a product of its prime factor, what we should do? 12 divided by 2, the lowest prime number. So answer is 6 here. Again you divide by 2, then answer is 3. Again you divide by 2. Sorry, you can't divide by 2. So let's divide by 3. So answer is 1. Then here we divide by lowest prime numbers. This division, these numbers must be prime numbers. Again. So now when you multiply these 3, 2 into 3. I will write here 2 into 2 into 3. Further 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 3, 12. That's why this is the product. 12 has a product of its prime factor. This is the answer. But same time, they ask 12 right has the product of its prime factors in index form. Now 12 right has a product of its index form, right? Now you wrote here 12 has a product of prime factor. Now this one convert to index form. Index form means now this one you can write as a index. How? 2 into 2 means you can write 2 to the power 2 into 3. Now this is the in index form, right? This is index form, right? We call index form, right? Index form. Index form. This is has a just has a product of its prime factor. This is has a product of prime factor in index form, right? Okay, I will do another question like that. Now if they give 18, let's get 18. 18 has a product of its prime factor. What we should do? 18 divided by 2. 9. You can't divide 9 by 2. So let's go to next prime number. Next prime number is 3. 9 divided by 3, answer is 3. Again, you can divide this one by 3, so divide by 3, answer is 1. Now, you can write 18 as a product of its prime factor. How? 2 into 3 into 3, right? Now, this is has a product of prime factors, right? I will not here prime factors. And same time, if they ask from you 18 right has a product of its prime factors in index form, your answer should be like this: 2 into this is you can convert to index form, 2 to the power 3 to the power 2, 18. Now this is the answer.